During Beyond NTAC, we will be using 3 platforms to connect everyone attending to the event itself and to each other. This video will cover each platform and how to best use them during this event. Everything you need for Beyond NTAC will be in CrowdCompass Online Event Guide. This is where you will access your sessions as well as the other 2 platforms we are going to be using. During Beyond NTAC, you should have access to CrowdCompass Online Event Guide at all times. Open it in a web browser and keep it handy. The next platform we will be using is BrainDate. BrainDate is a platform that allows you and others to meet in groups of 5 or smaller to discuss subjects of interest, work, or play. The third platform we will be using is Slack. NTAC Network has built an online community for its members called the NTN Slack community. This is a space that was designed to shorten the distance between members of the network. During Beyond NTAC, we will be using this space to share, reflect, and connect on all things we are learning. We also plan to have some fun within this space as well. Let's jump in and explore each of these platforms a little bit more, starting with CrowdCompass Online Event Guide. Take a moment now to join me at event.crowdcompass.com/BeyondNTAC. When you get there, be sure to bookmark it. Remember, this is the most important platform of the event. This is where you will find and join your sessions as well as access the other 2 platforms. Within CrowdCompass Online Event Guide, you can browse sessions and build your schedule for each day of the week. During Beyond NTAC, we will be offering 3 different types of sessions: connecting sessions, keynote sessions, and learning sessions. Each type of session has its own unique icon. To begin exploring sessions, click on each day of the week. On Monday, I can see there is only 1 session, our keynote with Jim May. Because I want to attend this session, I am going to add it to my calendar. If I jump to Tuesday, I can see the sessions that will be offered, what types of sessions they are based on their icon, and what times they are offered. As I find sessions I'd like to attend on Tuesday, I'll add them to my schedule. I'll continue to do this for each day of the event. Now that I have added all the sessions I'd like to attend to my schedule, I'll head over to the My Schedule tab. Here I can see each session I'd like to attend for each day of the event. This also gives me quick access to my sessions and links to join them. Links to sessions you are attending will become available on the day of that session. Now let's talk brain dates. Over in the main menu, under the event guide, click on Brain Dates. Here I can see a page that explains brain dates and a link to access the platform. When you head over to Brain Dates, you'll be taken to the marketplace. This is where other attendees have already created brain dates that you have the option to attend. Before getting started, let's make sure we set up our time zone. Click on your profile. Select Settings in the upper right-hand corner. Select your time zone. This allows us to be sure all brain date options are available to us in our local time. Head back over to the marketplace. Be sure to take some time to look around and see if there are any brain dates you are interested in attending. As you look through, you will notice that some brain dates are group brain dates with no more than 5 people, and others are one-on-one. If you find a brain date you are interested in joining, you can click on it to learn more. Here you can see what time the brain date is taking place, how many spots are left, and I can book the brain date if I'd like to attend. If you are interested in creating your own brain date topic, click New Topic. Once you create your topic, others will see it in the marketplace where they will have the option to join you. If you need help with brain dates at any time, check out the support chat. Type your questions here and get support from a brain date representative on the spot. Now we will head back over to CrowdCompass to access our last platform. Under the event guide, I can also access the NTN Slack community. Here you can learn more about the NTN Slack community and get quick access using this link. The NTN Slack community will act as the hub of activity during our virtual conference. All attendees should be in Slack during Beyond NTAC to stay connected to what's happening. Be sure to download the Slack app to your phone, your computer, or both. Once in the NTN Slack community, there are 12 Beyond NTAC channels. Let's run through them quickly. Info Desk is where NTN staff will post important information each day. Tech Support is where you can go for help with any of the 3 platforms and Zoom. Join Brain Dates is where you can see the brain dates that are available and click on them to learn more. Recommend It is a space where you can see recommendations or recommend your favorite book, podcast, television series, and more. Keynotes is a place for you to share your takeaways from any of our keynote speakers. You can hang out here during the keynotes to share your thoughts. We will also share resources from our keynote speakers here as well. Connecting Sessions is a place for you to share your takeaways and reflections in relation to any connecting session you attend. You can also share resources, and resources will be shared with you in relation to all connecting sessions. Culture that empowers, outcomes that matter, tech that enables, and teaching that engages are all channels that are connected to learning sessions. Each learning session you attend is tagged in Crowd Compass with a Slack channel. After your learning session, your facilitator will share resources here. You can also come here to share takeaways, give a shout out, or share a resource in relation to the session you attended. Racial identity is in direct relation to our Thursday connecting session. Check out this channel to hear other members tell their stories in relation to their racial identity. Feel free to share your story as well. The final channel is the virtual water cooler. This is where all the fun will be happening. Be sure you jump in here, introduce yourself, and be on the lookout for fun prompts and activities. If you are ever unsure where to post in Slack, you can reach out to your Slack community host through a direct message. Here are your hosts for the week. Monday is Lindsay Reisner. Tuesday is Tim Preciado. Wednesday is Alana Mbanza. And Thursday is Alma Hernandez. We can direct you where to go. If all else fails, head over to the water cooler channel and post there. Again, Slack is where a lot of activity will be happening during our event. We may not be together in person, but we can be together in the NTN Slack community. Be sure to have Slack open at all times. Let's have a recap. Crowd Compass is where you will always want to start your day. It's where you have access to all things Beyond NTAC and where you will join your sessions and have access to the other 2 platforms. Brain Dates is where you'll want to go to have small group or one-on-one conversations around topics of interest. Slack is where we can share our learning, connect with one another, and stay connected to the event itself and all things happening each day. It's also where we'll be having some fun. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the 3 platforms we will be using to navigate Beyond NTAC. See you there.